Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out Switch and Sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the out, we gotta slow. I know I'm gonna start editing this and I'm gonna be like, Angel, why did you allow yourself to look like this while you were filming? I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry. I don't even know what I'm doing. Like, this is just like, good morning. Hi. Anyways, I'm about to shower. Oh, let me show you guys what I use in the shower. Look at my cute little basket. I'm gonna show you guys like the products I use when I shower. Why am I out of focus again? I need to hurry up because I'm actually gonna be late for school if I'm like talking at this rate and like being this slow. So I'll see you guys in like a few seconds, I guess. If this isn't about to be the most rushed routine you've ever seen, I really don't know what it is. My friend just texted me. She said she's on her way. You put my iPad in my purse. And then this is a fit. Frick, you can't even see anything. It's spirit wear today. So black shirt, these sweatpants, one of my F1s, and then this like zip up thing. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly attempt to like do my makeup real quick. I don't even know what I'm gonna do. Yeah, she's like almost there. Oh, let me take this off. Make sure she's not here. The thing that's making me the most nervous is that she texts me on my phone. I'm using my phone to film right now. So if she texts me and I'm filming, I don't know if the notification comes up when you're filming. So that's what's making me stressed. Like, I'm checking every like 2 seconds to make sure. I'm not even showing you guys any of the products, but I don't know. I'll put it on the screen or in the description or something. Sorry about that. I think I'm just gonna fill my water bottle when I get to school because I got like no choice right now. Anyway, how's you guys' day? I was gonna do my edges this morning, but maybe I'll bring this to school and see if I can do it at school. I'll definitely probably do an updated one because this is so freaking rushed. Like, I feel bad. Let me see where she is. Okay. She still hasn't texted me that she's here yet, so I'm assuming she's still on her way. Where's my other mascara? Oh my gosh, that is like my holy grail mascara. I'm done. I'm literally, y'all, this was supposed to be such a good morning routine. I was supposed to like do like a little like get ready with me Q&A stuff and like listen to music and stuff. I literally woke up at like 5:20 or whatever. Where's my purse? I'm gonna show you guys everything I have in my purse real quick. iPad, folder. I literally have like a princess folder. And this notebook that's literally out of notebook paper. So that's just great. What else? I feel like I need something else at school. This is deodorant that I use. It's native. Jeez, focus, 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 focus.
Fuck it all, just focus.
Now we've got to choose perfume to wear to school today. Okay, we're gonna put this SoCal by Hollister in my purse. This lotion, my purse as well. And then right now, this is Forever Red, Bath and Body Works. My friend is literally here. The water bottle, my purse, and everything. And then I got my lunch. Okay, bye guys. Hey guys, so I'm currently at school and the bell literally just rung. So there's like no one in here, but I'm gonna do a quick little fit check. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. What is this angle? So I'm wearing this like spirit wear top and this zip up. I have no idea where I got it from. Sweatpants and then Air Forces. And then I just put my hair like that. It's like a fake claw clip hairstyle. I literally love my claw clip, obviously. That first bell, like the warning bell just rung. I'm gonna get my stuff. I need to put my stuff in my locker and stuff. I forgot to put my lanyard on. We'll figure that out in like a second. And then water, purse, Lunchbox. Why is it open? This isn't like the most hectic thing you've ever seen. I don't know what.
Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get low. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion.